What's up guys, this is Kazi. Today I want to answer 3 most asked questions on pretty much all my social media platforms. Number 1, can you show us how to shot match? Number 2, can I get access to the footage so I can practice along? And number 3, can you give me feedback on my work? Now I got a good news and a bad news. Bad news first. Now I don't have a quick answer or solution to your questions, but the good news is that I have created a masterclass that answers all of this and then some. Now, most of you guys already know I'm a professional colorist based out of LA. I run a virtual studio called the Post Village, where we've worked with some of the biggest brands in the industry. I run the fastest growing color grading channel on Instagram and a fastest growing color grading channel on YouTube. Now, this is not to brag, but just to let you know that I am somebody who's more than just an enthusiast. I'm a practitioner. I do this stuff day in and day out. So I created a masterclass that is all practical information and it ditches the fluff. Like, this is what you need to survive or even thrive in the industry. Now, the registration to my course is open for 7 days. So you have 7 days to sign up. We have over 1,000 students in just about 9 months. The link is in the description or in the comments below. And just check out what's included in the course. 25 plus hours worth of content, 150 plus training videos, access to over 100 gigs worth of professionally shot log footage, invitation to a mastermind group where we hold weekly competitions, and I'm talking about 2-hour group session where I go through everyone's grade and break it down and give you personalized feedback. And we give away quarterly prizes, and the next one is going to be the Blackmagic's micro panel. The courses consist of 9 total modules as of today, and I'm going to be adding another one very soon. And the way it's laid out, it's perfect for somebody who knows nothing about Resolve to maybe somebody who's intermediate but really want to take their game to the next level. So we're going to start at Conform. If you're coming from Premiere Pro or Final Cut 10 world and you want to learn how to get your footage in and out of Resolve, this is the module. Then we are going to move on to cameras. Now there's so many cameras out there and everybody has their own proprietary color science. So how to get the best image out of each one, that's what you're going to learn in this module. Color correction is something that people just take it for granted and they skip this step and move on to color grading. What if I tell you 80% of your paycheck is going to come from color correction alone? Then we're going to move on to shot matching. That is a massive one. That's the difference between an amateur colorist to a pro colorist. And the techniques I'm going to show you in this module are not going to just help you understand shot matching, but you're going to be able to work twice as fast. Now listen, I'm not going to lie. Color grading is the best part of finishing, but all the previous modules are prerequisites before you get to color grading. But once you're here, this is when you become somebody's go-to guy. This is when you start telling stories through the art of color. And I'm gonna cut to the chase and get to the heart of it and show you how to recreate some of the most iconic looks from movies, commercials, and music videos. This is where my technical and sales skills come into play. I'm not only gonna show you what's the best system with your given budget, I'm also going to show you how to find killer deals. I'm going to give you my custom keyboard layouts and tons of other hacks that are going to help you become extremely efficient and fast at your job. The difference between somebody struggling to find work and somebody making $250,000 by working only 110 days from home is this. Soft skills are as important, if not more important, than your hard skills, okay? It doesn't matter how amazing of a colorist you are. If you can't really sell yourself, it doesn't matter. This is 10 years of wins curated into this module to really help you find that shortcut and hit the ground running. In this module, I'm going to be adding new and exclusive tutorials that will help you stay ahead of the curve. Get excited because this is where you're going to get access to the course materials to my most popular YouTube videos so you can practice along. The goal with this masterclass is very simple. I want you to learn in weeks what took me years to learn. I'm so confident that I'm throwing in a hassle-free 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Join thousands of members that are part of FCM culture and have achieved unimaginable results, but don't take my word for it. Let's hear what filmmakers around the world are saying about FCM.
I'm pretty sure that everybody has that dream of being their own boss. This course is going to help you do that. I personally was able to quit my job and go full-time freelance because I had the confidence and I had the skills.
Kazi has a way of getting to the heart of the matter without wasting time on things that aren't important. His course is designed for humans, helping you understand the why behind the how and teach you principles that will guide you as a colorist.
Un corso in cui Kazi ti guida attraverso ogni step che ti consente di poter diventare un colorist professionista che lavora a tutti gli effetti. Il materiale contenuto in FCM lo rende già di per sé un corso senza eguali.
The biggest benefit to the course in my mind is the access that you get to Kazi. Every single week we're submitting grades and Kazi is taking the time to review every single one. That in itself is worth the cost of the Masterclass.
Quasi's Freelance Colorist Mastercourse is something that I feel that anyone at any level can gain something from. As a colorist, I'm always looking for ways to improve my skills. There's loads of information on the internet, but I haven't come across anything quite like Quasi's course.
The best thing about this course is that it is the only way to not spend years reading manuals and trial and erroring it and getting bad advice. It's the only way to not go and spend $50,000 a year at film school, which, by the way, I've also done that.
Anfangs war ich skeptisch, ob das nicht herausgeworfenes Geld war. Aber meine Erwartungen wurden bei weitem übertroffen. Die Lektionen sind einfach und verständlich aufgebaut. Man merkt, dass Meister Kazi uns als Schüler in die Hand nimmt. Bei Fragen und Anregungen steht er immer zur Verfügung und schickt zeitnah eine Sprachnachricht zurück.
I've been teaching myself how to be a filmmaker for years, just going on YouTube, watching tutorials, asking questions. What I learned in even just an hour of working with Kazi's Masterclass is worth more than years of just trying to figure it out on my own.
I got nothing else to say. Enrollment ends soon. Join now. I will see you in the Masterclass.